Bro, I'm good.
I know you're good.
I'm really good at Apex,
I know
okay?
you're good. But the thing is,
I don't want to hear it right now.
this is TJ.
I don't want to hear it. No, I don't want it. What?
Your head's just not in the game. When we're about to drop, this is you. Oh, we're landing.
The 350Z is gonna be done any day now, and I really wanna go do a shakedown with the car. So to do a shakedown with the car, we need to prep like 10 or 12 sets of tires. So in preparation for that, Calvin and I have a lot of work to do to unmount all of these tires and get rid of them so we can throw new slabs of meat on there, bud.
What about those ones? Do you have to demount all those ones?
We have a set of brand new tires on 2 wheels.
4 wheels.
Oh no, you're right. I didn't even realize that, mate.
You have like a bunch of wheels to burn. And then there's like...
Oh, we have extras back there, so we'll do those.
Oh yeah, don't show those though.
No, I'm not showing these. I forgot that we still had these wheels. We'll keep the crap tires on there just because like
They're brand new.
they're brand new and they'll last a long time on track. I could even potentially go
With a set of these.
with a set of just 4 tires, and these things last so long that I
Yeah.
could literally do a shakedown
Yeah.
on those. But we'll just demount those 4.
If
That's
you
not
don't
even
get,
that
if
bad.
you don't get the tires
If we don't get the
tomorrow,
tires, because we might not be able to get them.
then you have 4 to deal with.
That's easier than I thought. We'll just demount these 4, and then we're about to really push the limits with the Ferrari today because the tints on that car just aren't enough. I hate that you can see through it. I think they're 15. We're gonna get those down to like at least 5% today. Something that I was gonna wait to show you guys, but I'm deciding just to say screw it and show you now. The front bumper for the Supra. It got finished in paint like last week and I haven't picked it up yet. And I didn't want to show you guys until we were like putting it on the Supra, which probably won't happen until next week because the Supra is at Dan's right now and we're about to get the Z. Long story short, I'm gonna give you guys a little surprise. I'm gonna show you guys, I am hyped on this bumper. This will complete the look that I was going for the car, and it has all the, I'm not gonna spoil it, but it's kind of similar styling than I did with the RX-7.
Your Supra is your RX-7 now because you're selling the RX-7.
Do you have anything to say about it before we see it, Calv?
I don't remember what it looks like. I don't even remember what bumper it is.
Oh!
Goddamn!
Now we need to put it somewhere without scratching it. What?
Aw, man.
What?
We have another Supra bumper to store?
I know. What this bumper is, it's the Ridox style front bumper. Very clean. We did some modifications to this front bumper. So because we have a JDM Supra and not a US Supra, we don't have amber lights. So on the stock Supra, or on this bumper, it came with like big cutouts right here for amber lights. We fiberglassed that shut, paved over it. So I added this lip on the bottom. So that lip is in full carbon, just like the RX-7. And now, just like the RX-7, Calv, if you notice, let me show you guys. So when we did the RX-7 front bumper, I know you guys know, but I'll show you. When we did the RX-7 front bumper, we added this full piece of carbon, and then the carbon wraps around the side skirt, and then the carbon also
So basically,
wraps in the rear.
we're making an RX-7 with a 2J instead of a rotary.
Yeah. Pretty much the theme I did with the Supra is the same on the RX-7, except rather than white with carbon, it's black with carbon. And we have carbon wrapping the whole entire Supra. We have a rear diffuser with carbon, our side skirts are carbon, and our front bumper is carbon. Dude, it looks so killer. Wow.
Looks really good.
Oh my gosh.
Stock body.
What'd you just say?
Hey. I didn't say.
Did you just call it stock body?
It's a really nice bumper, Teach. It looks good.
Are you talking
Can
shit
we-
about my stock body?
Can we appreciate the carbon accents?
I don't know, can we? You just
Carbon accents on this bumper. It's amazing.
What's wrong with stock body Supra?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I just think it's lame.
Why? You really think it's lame?
Wide body and bags, Teej.
Calvin, that meme is dead on this channel, okay?
All right, man.
That meme is dead. How dare
We're closing
you speak of
We're
that?
gonna close the shop. Sorry, dude. Wide body and bags, dude. Sorry, dude.
This is by far the best product McGuire's has because it's one, it's fun and it does such a good job. I'm gonna show this, and hey, I'm a dad, so sometimes your car gets screwed up by your kids, and when you have kids,
Oh man, Tej.
Look at all this.
Your boys.
There's dog hair. And
your boys are.
I get this thing shampooed in detail. Kona just threw up in the back of my car yesterday. So it happens. You know, I'm a dad. This is my dad car. And it stinks really bad in here. And if you didn't notice, we were just driving with the windows down because it smells so bad. This will literally make your car smell so good. So how do I do this again? I need to start the vehicle, put the fans on hot. You just turn your car on, put your AC as cold as it can go. You put it on full blast and you recirculate your air. And then what you do is you just
Don't get it in your eyes like I did.
Explode it. And it recirculates it. You let that sit in there. Look at it, it looks like a hot box. You let that sit in there for 15 minutes, and then once it's done, you open on the windows and you let it like vent for 15 minutes, and your car will literally smell perfect for like 2 weeks. I'll give you guys an update in 15 minutes. I wish there was a way for you guys to know how good it smells in here, but it smells amazing. What's cool is you don't have to hang a bunch of air fresheners for it. Now it's like the scent is like coated. This is how I envision it. The scent is like coated through like your air system. So even when you just blow air now, it just smells like whatever freshener you choose. All right, so as I stated, something that we're missing on this car is completely blacked out windows. Since we finished out the front, and it'll just help complete the Stormtrooper look. I really want to have this thing just have murdered windows. They're dark now and they are tinted, but they're not very aggressive. As I said, I think they're like only 15%. And if you guys know anything about me, it's that I love murdered out tint. So we're gonna head over to Tint World, the homies down in Miramar, and they're gonna hook us up today and get this thing dialed in. The burble tune sounds so good. I literally like haven't gotten over it yet. So what we're gonna do is murder out the sides. So this is probably like 15 or so. We're gonna go to a ceramic 5% on the sides. I think we're also gonna do the windshield as well. Probably like an 80%. I don't wanna make it like super black where you can't see very well at night, but the biggest reason as to why I like window tints is when you do like the ceramics, it is a really good heat deflection. So I wanna be able to take the heat out of the car and kind of help preserve the leather in the car. So we're gonna do that on an 80. And then in the back, I hadn't really thought about this. I've never had a mid-engine car before, but for a half second I was like, oh, I'll black out the back, but then it would cover the motor. We don't want to do that. And there's also a baby window like right here that goes into the cabin, but I think I'm gonna leave that clear. I'm not gonna do anything on that. So we're just gonna do the sides, and then we're gonna barely do the front. You really won't even really be able to tell, but we're gonna do it just for the heat. And then I think we're gonna do a little clear bra on the headlights just to protect those a little bit. As always, Tint World is where I've gotten all my cars done. I'll link them down below. If you guys are in the area, you wanna come get your stuff done, this is where I've gotten literally all of my cars, all of Sabrina's cars have all been done here at Tint World.
Get this shit on my face, man.
I like thought about getting a bike, but then I never ended up doing it because I didn't want to die. This is 1000.
This is a fully built Jixel 1000, BST carbon wheels, carbon accents, full custom tune, race fuel, full system header and exhaust. Right now it's pushing down about 210 horsepower to the wheel, weighs about 355 pounds.
Holy shit, that's more horsepower than your BRZ. How much does it weigh?
Sorry, Calvin.
On a bike, dude.
355 pounds, fully wet. And I'm the size of a horse jockey, so I'm pretty quick on it.
Oh my.
She definitely screwed me.
Like,
Man, you can go faster than me.
dude, you can go faster than anybody on the road. That's scary.
You can drive anytime you want.
When I decide that I'm ready to die, I'll hop on one. I thought about it for a while, and then I was just like, maybe I should start on like a Harley, a little cruiser, a nice cruiser.
Balls to the wall, baby, that's it.
It's,
if I can't do 200, it's not worth it.
I just don't want to die. That's my thing.
If you die,
like,
you
at
die.
least if I crash this, I have airbags and I have doors and, you know, some support.
True.
But
This, I just have skin. But she's a beauty.
I'd like to say I know what I'm looking at, but I kind of don't. But it looks dope. But I can look at it and be like, that's scary.
I guess we can just say we look up in the dictionary and the word sex.
Then that's it. The GSX. Question is, Calv,
Yeah,
how did the backfire sound on the way here?
I wasn't paying attention to
That's a lie.
I don't pay attention.
You're telling me you didn't hear it?
This is what I think.
You're telling me you didn't hear it?
This is what I think.
I know you heard it. Oh my god.
The only
Dude, it smells.
I know, dude. From all of the air fresheners.
Too many air
Okay.
fresheners. Does not smell good.
The only thing I think about when I hear your exhaust and the way you drive it is you're a hypocrite. That's all I think.
No.
Yes, because
No.
every time someone drives by with someone's exhaust that gurgles or is loud, you're like, wow, sick, dude. And then when you do it, you're like, wow, I'm sick, dude. That's all I
Okay,
think
that's
about.
not entirely true.
That's 100% true.
That's not entirely true.
That's the only thing I think about.
It's different when it's your car. Everyone ditched me and left early because we're doing dinner at my house tonight. I just called an Uber. He's about to be here and we're about to go pick up the Ferrari and see how it looks. And there it is. Dude, that looks good. You can like barely even tell that the front's tinted too. It's like light blue.
Very light. Yeah, it's got a nice crystal like blue hue to it. The most important thing is it's gonna protect that dash.
Yeah.
So you know, the infrared, the heat coming in, you just spend a lot of money on that dash, I know, so we want to make sure it's protected.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this car, it's beautiful.
Oh, dude, I love this completely blacked out windows.
Yeah, 5% CIR, ceramic's the thickest, so it's gonna be the darkest. It's gonna give you the best heat reduction, infrared protection, so definitely the best for this kind of car, man. I mean, only for you too, man. You know, we gotta do it right.
Dude, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
It's crazy how such a small thing can literally go such a long way. Again, huge shout out to Tint World. They've done like all of my cars. If you haven't already, I'll link their Instagram. Hit them up. Literally, they have openings all the time, and they always like take care of all of us. So if you're trying to get anything tinted, that's where you want to go. This is the man to come see. And I'm sure he's willing to race anybody on his bike. So if anyone wants to give a little challenge,
Absolutely.
I'm always tempted to come and meet you on some of the night cruises that you guys do,
Hey,
but
you know, it's-
I always get my ass spanked. So I'm always like,
Nah, we got cars from all over, ranging from small to high. I mean, it's all a good and fun event, man, but definitely fast people coming out.
And the headlights now have a layer of clear on there, so we can protect these,
Yeah,
don't
we
get any
can
damaging on
hang your
there.
self-cleaning PPF on there, so anytime, especially since this is actually headlights, anytime you get small nicks and scuffs, it's actually going to cure itself in the sun. So you won't have to replace it, you're not going to get any yellowing. This is a top material from Suntech that we carry.
You can really see from like this lighting how black these windows are. You can like literally come straight up to it and you can't see anything. And then for an interior test, man, nice and dark. You can see the difference. And so something too about the 80% is this isn't so much to like I explained to you, this isn't so much to like keep it dark in here, but it's not really dark enough to make a difference at night either. There might be obviously just a little bit of a difference, but it's more so just a heat thing. I'm gonna be late for dinner, so it's time for us to go home. Let me film you. How about we switch it up?
No.
I film you.
No. It's Kevin Cam. Oh, yes.
Welcome to my kitchen. This was donated from the cows out back. 2 pounds beef chuck, 80-20 split. This will feed about 4 or 5 people with some sliders. Also, we got this pairing up with our chicken, pot of Kev right here.
We're steaming, we're boiling some chicken to shred it up in a little bit.
I don't know how to cook it that way, so that's all you right now.
I don't know, I found it online. I'm going with Google.
And it's gonna be like shredded?
Yeah, you shred them with 2/4.
All right, pickup of the day. We gotta show this. We'll do a taste test. Not sponsored.
Cracker Jacks.
Birthday cake.
Oh, what?
See? Exactly. Looks like it would be.
Sucks. That's right.
Can't wait any longer.
Come on. A birthday cake Cracker Jack. Interesting.
Pretty faint on the birthday cake flavor of
It
it.
almost tastes like a regular Cracker Jack.
Yeah.
Just a little sweeter.
You have to like think about it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not for you.
He wants one.
Shake. Good boy. Not for you.
All right. Well, you can't forget about the
Fries. Check this out, Kev.
How many do you have stacked?
2 bags. Half bag.
Oh, you're addicted.
Think we'll need a half bag extra?
Mm,
We have 8 people tonight. Emily doesn't eat food, so 7.
It doesn't hurt.
For anybody out there that's looking for some good homemade fries, huge. Homemade.
Huge.
What is this?
In the skillet?
I flatten in skillet. How do you wash it? I tried seasoning this and it just like poured out. See that big strip of pepper? It just like poured everywhere. I was like, oh, rip. How long are they supposed to be in for? Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
TJ, This intro. Do you remember this intro from all the Adam Sandler movies? Not this one.
All right, well, because in my real time, we have the drop for Hunting Company literally happening tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out now because I'm probably gonna edit downstairs to everyone as they all watch a movie, and we're just gonna hang out for a bit, but I wanna edit this ahead of time so I don't have to get pushed behind or anything tomorrow. If you haven't already checked out the website, please do it, thehuntingcompany.com. This is the biggest drop we've ever had, the most inventory we've ever had, the most amount of different items and colorways and all that type of stuff. I've been working really hard on it behind the scenes because everything we do is all in-house, and it means a lot. So wishing our team good luck, that everything goes as well as we hoped. And I mean, because at this point I'm talking to myself in the future, or to be in the past. By the time you're watching this would have happened like 2 days ago, I think. Regardless, thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward.